Not sure how to use your Mitsubishi AC Remote? Model number R61Y23304. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Mitsubishi AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer on button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Press the vane button to adjust the direction of the horizontal airflow. Each press changes the vane angle or activates automatic swing mode for wide and even air circulation. Press the check button to activate the air conditioner's self-diagnosis function. It displays error codes or indicators that help identify faults or maintenance issues. Press the louver button to adjust the airflow direction from the indoor unit. Each press changes the louver angle or activates swing mode for even air distribution. Press the hours button to set or adjust the timer duration in hours. It's used with the timer function to program when the air conditioner should turn on or off automatically. Press the minute button to adjust the timer setting in 1-minute increments. Use it along with the hour button to set precise on or off times for the air conditioner. If your Mitsubishi AC Remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press the clock button gently using a pin or paperclip to access and adjust the clock settings. This allows you to set or correct the time, and pressing it again with the pin or paperclip exits the clock adjustment mode. Press the set button gently with a pin or paperclip to confirm and save your selected settings such as time, timer, or mode. This finalizes the adjustment and applies the chosen configuration to the air conditioner. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Mitsubishi AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.